Greetings and good day. Welcome to the Ikyan Shah Audio Notes series designed specifically for law students. More importantly, these notes are designed to help you write your answers efficiently within 35 to 40 minutes during the examination. Do like and share this video and subscribe this channel for regular updates. Let's start our today's topic. Bill of exchange and check. Heading number 1. Introduction. The Negotiable Instrument Act recognized only 3 instruments viz. A bill of exchange, a check, and a promissory note. A bill of exchange is an instrument in writing containing an unconditional order signed by the maker directing to pay a certain sum of money to a certain person or bearer. A check is a written order of a depositor upon a bank to the designate party or bearer a specified sum of money on demand. Heading number 2. Definition of a check. According to Sec 6, a check is a bill of exchange drawn on a specified banker and not expressed to be payable otherwise than on demand. Heading number 3. Explanation. The person who draws a check is called drawer, and person to whom the check is made payable is called payee, and the bank upon which the check is drawn is known as drawee. Heading number 4. Kinds of check. A. Bearer check. B. Open check. C. Order check. D. Cross check. E. Traveler's check. Heading number 5. Essentials of a check. Following are the essentials of a check. I. Written. The check must be in writing. 2. Unconditional. It contains an unconditional order to pay. 3. Signature of the drawer. It should contain the signature of the drawer. 4. Certain sum of money. It contains a certain sum of money. We upon a bank. Check is an order of a depositor upon a bank. 6. Payable on demand. It must be payable on demand. 7. Certain person. It must be payable to a certain person. Heading number 6. Bill of exchange. I. Definition. According to Sec 5. A bill of exchange is an instrument in writing containing an unconditional order, signed by the maker, directing a certain person to pay on demand or at a fixed or determinable future time a certain sum of money only to or order of a certain person or the bearer of the instrument. 2. Explanation. The person who makes the bill is called drawer. The person who is directed to pay is a drawee. The person to whom the payment is to be made is called payee. 3. Essentials. I. Written. The bill of exchange must be in writing. It may be written in any language. 2. Unconditional order. The order contained in the bill of exchange must be unconditional. 3. Signed by the drawer. Bill of exchange must be signed by the drawer. 4. The drawee must be a certain person. The drawee of a bill of exchange must be a certain person. His name should be mentioned in it. We, the payee, must be a certain person. The payee of the bill also be a certain person. 6. The sum payable must be certain. The sum payable must be certain and definite. 7. Pakistani currency. The sum payable must be in Pakistani currency. 8. Other legal formalities. A. It should be dated. B. Name of place where it is drawn. C. It should be attested. D. It should be properly stamped. Heading number 7. Distinction between check and a bill of exchange. I. Drawee. A check is always drawn on a specified bank. A bill may be drawn on any person including a banker. 2. Payable on demand. A check is drawn payable on demand. A bill of exchange is drawn payable on demand or expiry of certain period. 3. Condition of acceptance. A check does not require an acceptance by the drawee. A bill of exchange requires acceptance by the drawee. 4. As to revocation. A check can be revoked by the drawer. Bill of exchange cannot be revoked. V. Payable to bearer on demand. A check drawn payable to bearer on demand is valid. A bill of exchange drawn payable to bearer on demand is not valid. 6. As to stamps. A check does not require any stamps. A bill of exchange is stamped according to the Stamp Act. 7. As to crossing. A check may be crossed. A bill of exchange cannot be crossed. 8. As to notice of dishonor. When check is dishonored, no notice is required. When a bill of exchange is dishonored, notice is required to all the parties. 9. As to noting or protest. In check there is no need of noting and protest. In bill of exchange, there is need of noting and protest. X. Grace period. There is no grace period in a check. Their grace days are allowed in calculating the maturity date of the bill of exchange. Heading number 8. Conclusion. To conclude, I can say that a check is a written order of a depositor upon a bank to pay that designated party or bearer a specified sum of money on demand, whereas a bill of exchange is an instrument in writing containing an unconditional order, signed by the maker, directing a certain person to pay a certain sum of money only to or order of a certain person or bearer of instrument. A check mainly drawn to minimize the use of metallic money. In both instruments, three parties are involved.